All right, so quick market update. Wanted to give you guys an update what I'm seeing, right? Spring has sprung. We're in April. What that means, in my opinion, actually not my opinion, in reality, single families in the state of Rhode Island still under 600, right? Real estate agents in the state of Rhode Island over 6,000, right? That's a huge ratio of agents versus houses versus listings. We are at the lowest supply we've ever seen. If I'm a seller and I'm starting to see rates go up, one of the things that I'm really paying attention to is the next 3, 4, or 5 rate hikes. How does that impact buyer demand, right? I talked about last week that I don't see an increase. I don't see an increase in supply right away. I don't see a decrease in price right away, and I don't see a decrease in demand. But you have to be cognizant. If I'm a seller, right, and I'm understanding the market's going to continue to get impacted by interest rates, well, I'm going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to put my property on ASAP and try to hit the height, try to hit the pinnacle. So guys, selling multi, singles, condos, whatever, this is it. This is the time. Take advantage of now before it hits the next 12 to 18 months, and you start to see what could be the beginning of a very, very slight decline in overall demand.